free. The ultimate cheat code isn't some hidden strategy. It's already inside your head. Your reality right now? It's a direct printout of your dominant thoughts. Wild, right? Remember feeling lost? 1 minute laughing, the next questioning everything, just pushing through because people depend on you? That feeling often comes from chasing external stuff. The fancy job title, the approval, the next paycheck. We grind, compare, feel like we're stuck in quicksand while others zoom past. We think the problem is the economy, the boss, the lack of opportunity, feeling like we drew the short straw. But the real shift happens when you intentionally rewire your brain. This isn't about ignoring problems or faking happiness. It's about cultivating a deep, unshakable belief in your power to navigate and overcome. It's about seeing that online course not as homework, but as forging a key to a new door. Viewing that small investment not as a risky gamble, but the very first brick in building your own financial house. Turning that crazy business idea into step one of your actual plan. Seeing property not just as land or buildings, but as tangible leverage for creating the life you want. This active, positive expectation fuels entirely different actions. Suddenly, you start attracting the right resources, spotting opportunities everyone else overlooks, and building real momentum. Financial independence, connecting with supportive communities, living with a sense of purpose. They stop being distant dreams you chase. They become the natural, inevitable result of a mind consistently trained to seek solutions and expect success. Stop waiting for the outside world to give you permission or change. Deliberately change your internal world and watch everything else begin to align. That's where the real power has always been.